Damn. I feel like I'm gonna have a baby out my mouth.
Probably close the door, dude.
Why?
I don't know.
We're not breaking any laws.
We're breaking wind.
Yeah.
Oh, damn, dude. This is what we do. Hard at work. Yeah.
Very hard at work.
Man, you sound like you got a clogged vein.
I clogged something, dude.
Clogged sphincter.
Oh.
Gotta relax more. Let it slide out your throat hole.
Oh, fuck. What the goddamn?
Oh, God.
Oh, fuck, I think I killed a moth, dude. God damn! Oh, dude, I feel like I can fly now, dude. Like, I feel like there's a giant pressure removed.
From your gut.
Damn it, I'm out of soda. Can I have some liquid game, Genie?
Sure.
Yes.
Remember, kids, carbonation is key. Yeah.
This is liquid game, Genie. And we're not going to advertise too much on the soda, but this is liquid game, Genie.
Yummy, yummy for our tummy. Yeah.
Give the minute. Imagination to build up.
Bubbly, bubbly.
Oh, it sounds hollow again. Oh, I can feel it rumbling around, dude.
Calm before the storm.
It's like the eye of the storm right now, dude. Oh.
Oh, fucking shit! Dude, the way you force him, I'm afraid you're gonna spit chunks.
I know, sometimes it sounds like it, dude. Fuck, dude, that was definitely liquid game, Genie. Ooh,
well, howdy, howdy, howdy. Oops.
Oops.
Oh, God, every time you do it, you get better. Oh, dude. Don't blow your sphincter.
Yeah. I don't even hear him anymore. Nope, they're gone. I think in my throat. throat and stomach a break. I feel like I'm gonna fucking shit my pants.